So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the conference called, sub-conference called Intelligent Systems. Similar to the Cognitive Science Conference, this is also a traditional part of the multi-conference. So it's this year we have the 11th incarnation of this conference. And this conference, Intelligent Systems, addresses, I would say, necessary technological ingredient of information science, of information society, sorry, intelligent information system. It means computer programs that aim at reaching some level of intelligence, of displaying some kind of intelligent behavior. So we are talking about computer programs, advanced computer programs, even robots, agents, and this kind of approaches. The sub-conference Intelligent Systems is intentionally organized so as that it has a wide scope, so it addresses all of the aspects or most of the aspects of intelligent information systems, asking, for example, which are the trends, perspectives, advantages, disadvantages of this field and this field related with information society. So just to list a few topics which are included in this wide conference: intelligent system, artificial intelligence, intelligent agents, data mining as well, so algorithms that build some knowledge or models from data, decision systems, decision support, and many others. So this is on this left-hand side. On the right-hand side, it is also the tradition that we address applications. So we are not talking just about concepts, algorithms, and so on, but we also talk about the solutions of how to use this technology to solve more or less complex real-life problems. This conference in the previous years has reached these goals to more or less success. Every year we had maybe from 15 to 30 papers. For this year the situation is as follows: that it's actually a two-day, one-track conference. It is maybe important to notice that the first track is chaired by me, Marko Buhanec, and the second chair is chaired by Matjaž Gams. One is what I would call the general section, a general, quite mostly international open session, for which we attracted this year more than 16, but 16 were accepted papers from 5 different countries, and 12 of these will be presented in English, so this will go on tomorrow. We'll have 3 sections, and here are some topics for those who are interested in. So in the section A we will address machine learning and data mining, methods and applications. And all these methods that will be presented will also address some applications, email, phishing, medicine, project assignment, and education. In section B, we will address modeling. So approach to solving problems by modeling, creating models, and of course applying these models to different, areas like mobile and wireless communications, genetics, and even computer games. In section C, there will be some more, let's say, theoretical approaches, algorithms, and principles, addressing some general principles of how to approach some problems in databases, some boundary detection, so a little bit more specific topics for the afternoon. The second day will be more or less, so as to say, there will be presentations from people who are actually dealing with intelligent system here at Josef Stefan Institute, which is mainly Department of Intelligent System, and they will have 2 sections, D and E, on the second.